In today's video, I'm going to show you Intch Networking App Review, Best Networking Tool Analysis 2025. Intch is built as a professional networking or future of work platform that helps people connect with others, mentors, employers, clients through AI matching, posting requests, that is to say, what you need help with, and building visibility via social capital scoring system. The app is available for free, but many features are locked behind a premium subscription. On the positive side, some users say Intch has a clean interface, well-designed profile setup, and potential value in connecting with others beyond their usual network. In regions where job opportunities are sparse, people appreciate platforms that aim to surface new gigs or freelance tasks. Also, there are reports of people getting useful leads or contacts or just using the app for networking in a low-cost way, with the free tier, to try new things. However, there are several major red flags and recurring complaints that suggest caution. Many users here in Reddit report that Intch asks for payment subscription before showing relevant job offers or opportunities. Essentially, you pay to see work, rather than getting enough free previews to decide if it's useful. There are numerous reviews saying that cancellation is difficult, that they were charged even after attempting to cancel, and that customer support is unresponsive or slow. Also, users say the job leads or connect requests are often irrelevant, expired, or not matching their skills or fields, meaning a lot of time with low payoff. Another issue is transparency and trust. Some reviews say the app's marketing promises are exaggerated. Lots of talk about networking, side gigs, remote roles. But what's delivered is often generic or low quality leads. Verdict: Intch is not obviously a total scam, but it leans significantly toward being overhyped. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.